Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to use ExpressVPN on Linux safely and efficiently. First, open your Linux terminal and make sure you have sudo privileges. Go to the ExpressVPN website and log in to your account. Download the Linux app package that matches your distribution, such as .deb for Ubuntu or .rpm for Fedora. Once downloaded, open the terminal, navigate to the download folder, and install the package using the appropriate command, like sudo dpkg-i for Debian-based systems. After installation, type ExpressVPN Activate in the terminal and enter your activation code from the dashboard. Once activated, you can connect by typing ExpressVPN Connect or choose a specific server with ExpressVPN Connect space location. To disconnect, simply type ExpressVPN Disconnect. With these steps, your Linux device will be fully protected, your IP hidden, and your internet connection secure every time you browse. Subscribe the channel for more videos.